head, Maros pressure parks done. Squeeze the Benelli, hey, fuck up organ. When we buck him na the lane, that's the guy never partial.
G4 Chrome 19, AK GG16, we have one Chrome rifle, speed. Keep a motorcycle, them don't grind me, don't know. 4-5 look, go read one Bible.
Them don't know. Them not grimy, them don't know a 4-5 look. Go read on Bible.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too.
People. Oh, I go on YouTube, young. You already know it's a boy Jambisco and I'm back with a hit and smash and bang. People from the city gonna see what time it is. I don't know. Today, December 23rd. I watch just something. Yeah, man. Me artist, Mr. East Side, Mr. Crocodile Teeth, just dropped a new project. Yeah, man. I thought it was gonna be called the Skill Tape, but it's actually entitled The Prodigy. Yeah, man, the man dropping a new EP. You see me, I think he dropped it like last night. You see me, but today we're gonna check out one of the video. You see me from the upcoming from an EP that he dropped. This one is entitled Not. Yeah, man, it's entitled Top Not, featuring Street, Gena, Quenga, FS, and One Spark. One Sparks. You see me? So we're gonna check it out and see what go on. You see me? I say it's a new video for a new project. Yo, as you know, say yo, Skillibeng, I want the first artist to do for my to react to my channel, you know. So because me have this man is destined for greatness. So I want to see what I want. Right now, I'm excited for the project. You see me dance all nice again. You see me, I say, yeah, man, a long time I see some bad artists like Cartel. I say, yo, the man are bad, you know, man. The man are bad, the man are future bright now dance artist. I want to see what I want, people. So I don't know, we're going to check out the video today and see what you see me, see if it's a hit or smash or bang, you see me? So I don't know any people. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me? And turn on the post notification bell so you can know as soon as I upload them. For my 30 views and subscribers, I love you guys. I appreciate love and support. We're strong over here and getting better and better. You don't know we're gonna be doing this is our latest channel, reaction channel on YouTube. You see me? No question. You see me? Skillibeng just dropping EP. We're gonna check it out, see what I'm going. Yo, no, it's I got mad already. Yo, go see what I'm going. I'm ready, people. So we're afraid that we'll jump right now. So Skillibeng new song entitled Not off his new project entitled The Prodigy. You feel me? So without further ado, let's jump right now. Let's get it. I'm excited for that one. Come on, no joke.
Put a rifle with this. Is it? Say them is. Say them is bad, them is not. Load up the clip, that the pan belly one. Shoot the blood fly, key and knife and put the rifle there with the scope on the stand.
Hold on. No, people. I don't know pull up. Because man come in for the thing, dog. A man come in sick for the blood clot chop my youth. You see me? Them is not. Bob, the man come in pan. Yeah, man, load up picnic with the pan. Yo, come on, dog. Come on, bro. Come on. Take that for them. Like a beat. I would do the beater. Beater mad, me not lie. I like the video. I like this video too.
Put the rifle with this. Is it? Say them is bad, them is not. Load up the clip, that the pan belly one. Shoot the blood fly, key and knife and put the rifle there with the scope on the stand.
Load up the rifle, that the pan belly one. Could the blood clot? But man, buck clap on the still that dog. You want too hard for this dog, man.
Say them is bad, them is not. Load up the clip, that the pan belly one. Shoot the blood fly, key and knife and put the rifle there with the scope on the stand.
For me, east side dance, if you bust your flipping head, Maros pressure park stand. We squeeze the Benelli, hey, fuck up organ. When we buck him na the lane, that's the guy never partial. Skillibeng say boy.
Who this? Quenga this? Street Jedi. Who this?
Fi dead, Maro get passport, lice bust them head. East no do talk, shot in no left, zig your ring.
Roll out and murder them, is it?
Crazy way. Here we make blood paint the lane. Like me spliff and then my gun go burn them like a craven.
Hey, Bumbo Clad. Hey, this is a vibe. This is a Bumbo Clad vibe, people. Let me know anything about the comments. Yo, this is a vibe. Yo, so far I know, so I first time I check out the project, you know. This isn't because of a video, but it's a vibe, man. If the whole album are going, so this is a nice start.
Dan we quickly bust them brain. Play E ready, even Superman can save the day.
Say them is. Say them is. Say them is. Say them is bad, them is not. Load up the clip, the pan belly one. Shoot the blood clot, AK knife and put the rifle there with the scope on the stand.
For me,
Easy, yo, this is a vibe. Like the quality I beat. You see me, the quality I beat, yo, this is the quality, the video too, the video quality and the beat quality. If I saw this project upon dog, it's gonna be a good project.
Eastside dance, if you bust your flipping head, Maros smash a park stand. Squeeze the Benelli, hey, fuck up our gun. When we buck him na the lane, that's again never partial.
G4 Chrome 19, AK GG16, we have one Chrome rifle, speed,
Clad, man, I switch it up so, easy.
Kick by motorcycle, them don't grind me, don't know, oh, I'm 4-5, look, go read one Bible.
Them don't know, them not grimy, them don't know a 4-5, look, go read on Bible. Easy.
Head off a pop when my shot, yo, my behind, we walk with the strap.
CLM spot valley bad man in ya. We no roll with empty gun, almatic pop. Them can't test the badness like coke. The 40 bar revolt them ends like sport. Road na the big.
Oh, they didn't put it in the bad deal. Hey, man, I'm sure they did, but the video them, man. Who did better? Hey, we need
See about travel on the road. Like you no play bull beer, we no straight. Be a killer on the block, go for boy, me go dear, yo, skilly.
Easy, man. You don't know upon the tracker where to be. You don't know. Yo, rifle, Clad.
Top killer mafia no move silly. Murder boy brawling no key. I will see me yo bop. We no afraid and no cop them off it timid.
Say them is. Say them is. Say them is. Say them is bad, them is not. Load up the clip, the pan belly one. Shoot the blood clot, AK knife and put the rifle there with the scope on the stand.
For me, side dance, if you bust your flipping head, Maros smash a park stand. Squeeze the Benelli, hey, fuck up our gun. When we buck him na the lane, that's again never partial.
Like how jet fly, so head fly till them die.
Hey, the brother, I know. You like how the man give some look at some younger artists, some new artists a feature. I like that, man. You know what I mean, man? She ain't little spotlight while him have it dog. And I have it for a long time, cause yeah, I like how man move dog. Man, I move right now, music. And man move, yeah, like dog flex dog. Man, and tune. Hey!
Kill them and forgot about it, nothing me no memorize. East side badness bullet to make rain dime. Any boy me go for chop or sleep like bedtime.
Take nine, make jet fly and fish fry and bread by. When gun rise a shot, why no shot sky a head side. One sparks, one light, shed yai. Be a gun we go swap the Jedi.
One sparks. Yo, one sparks at Chop City. Yo, Skilly.
Yo, Skilly, I bring back lyrics, brother.
Is it?
Crazy shot.
Say them is.
Never lie.
Yo, Quenga. Say them is bad, them is not. Load up the clip, the pan belly one. Shoot the blood clot, AK knife and put the rifle there with the scope on the stand. Is that?
Here for the Bumbo Clad, sir. Here digital. Bumbo Clad. Yo. Me no need to sing. Yo. Yeah, man. That's the first track me I listen for the Blood Clee project and I have to tell you thing mad. The thing shot. You see me? I can't wait to listen to it. You see me? I can't wait to listen to the whole thing. I'm gonna do a reaction to the whole project, man. For real. No one mad. Skilly. You do your thing, dog. For the Chuckers team, you have to go listen to the rest of the project. But so far, so good. You see me? I say, yeah, man, mad. I'm like, I show you, the local artists, them shine and I bring back lyrics in that thing, dog. You see me? So, yo, people, let me know what you think about that one. You see me? Drop on the fire emoji, garbage can, whatever you think, let me know what you think. You see me? For definitely like it, they go show the artist some love. You see me? Make you know, say, Jambisco singing. You see me? If you don't like it, keep all the over here, like I always say, keep all the over here. But definitely go ahead and let me know what you think. Hit that like button. You see me? Comment, share, subscribe, and all that. You see me? I say, but mad project so far. You definitely check out the project too. You see me? And you see me? Come check out my review of it later on. You see me? Yo. And let me know what y'all think in the comment section. So listen to the album, or you can listen to me and then listen to the album. And then we talk about it in the comment section. Yo, mad man. Yo, we love music, you know, man. We love dance all nice again. Bumbo Clan. Once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I smashing a banger. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.